Hey guys, welcome back. Today tutorial will be on this gele that I saw on Instagram. So we are using two type of gele, so ashoke and paper gele, that is sego gele. So I saw this gele on T-Boy Instagram page. I know some of you will know him. He's a guru in gele. So I saw this gele there, so I decided to do the tutorial for you guys. So I've started creating my pleats. The ratio for this gele is 70-30 guys. One hand has to be longer than the other hand. So now I'm using my paper gele. So if you are measuring this paper gele, also is 70-30 ratio also. So I'm creating my pleat now. So just look at what I'm doing guys. This gele is very easy, very simple. It's not something that is hard guys. You can tie it. I'm very sure you can tie it. So just look at the way I'm crossing the hand now guys. Just our normal way of tying it. So now I'm going back now with the first hand of the ashoke, that is the 70 part of the ashoke. I'm placing it on top of the sego gele now. So I'm creating my pleats. I'll create as much pleats as I can here. I'll create as much pleats as I can. So just keep on creating your pleats. I'm still creating pleats guys. So I'm extending the end of the pleats I created now. I'm so sorry if my hand is blocking you guys. I'm very sorry about that. So I'm still creating pleats. Just continue creating pleats. Just keep on creating your pleats. I'm so sorry if my hand is blocking you guys. I'm just creating our pleats the way we create our normal gele pleats guys, but you will try your possible best. The gele should be high a little bit for the gele style to come out very well. So now adjusting the pleats I created now. I'm trying to make the gele to be high because the joining of this gele is three line, so it's small gele. So I'm just trying my best to make it high guys. So if you want your gele to be very high, tying this type of style, you can use the joining of like 4 or 5 line of gele. So I'm telling my students to hold it down there. So as you can see, I'm still trying my best to make the gele to be high there. So guys, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell for you guys to know whenever I upload a new video, and also follow me on my Instagram page at glambeauty30. glambeauty30. So I'm still adjusting it guys. So if you are just tying your gele, just take your time, don't be in a hurry. So the next thing now, I'll be using needle and thread. If you are tying this gele, you will need needle and thread, because if I did not use needle and thread to hold it down there, the ashoke that I place on top the sego gele will remove. So that is why we need our needle and thread to tack it there. If you see T-Boy gele also, you will notice that I use thread also there. So if you look at his gele, some of his gele that is tying now, he do use thread to tack it down so that the gele will not remove. So if you are just doing this process, just be careful so that the needle will not hurt you. So I'm tying it now. Just once is okay. Just tie it very well to be tight. Just look at it guys. So that is it guys. I'll be using my scissors to cut it now. I'm cutting it now. So as you can see now, the gele now stays very well. So make sure you use your needle and thread to tack it there, because if you use office pin, it won't secure it there. I won't lie to you. So it's better for you to use your needle and thread. Now I'm going back now with my other sago gele. Now that is the 70 part of my sago gele. I'm placing it on top of the purple ashoke now. So I'll start creating pleats. I'll create a little pleat before I start making my fan. Create a little pleat before I start making my fan. So this sago gele that I'm using, guys, is very small. So that is why my fan did not come out the way T-boy fan come out there. So if you are using your own, you can use sago gele that is more bigger than this. So I'm trying to create my fan now. I'm extending the hand now. I will extend the hand. I'll create fan, extend the hand, create fan. So just look at what I'm doing, guys. This process is very easy. You can do it, guys. It's not hard. It's not hard. So if you have any question, you can just let me know at the comment section below, guys. If you have any question, let me know. Let me know. So I'm still creating my fan, guys. So now I'll be rolling the excess hand now. I'm trying to adjust the fan, guys. I'm trying to adjust it. As you can see, my own fan is not that big, but this one is very okay for your your Owambe parties to church. Something like this is very okay. So now I'm using office pin to secure that area there. I'm using my office pin to secure it there. So I'm trying to adjust the gele there. That is the fan. I'm trying to adjust it there very well. So just take your time, guys, if you are doing this. So I'm rolling the excess hand now. I'll tell my student to hold it down there for me. I'm telling my student to hold it down there. So at the back now, I'm bringing the 70 parts, the 30 parts. I'm joining the both hand of the sago and the ashoke gele together, and I'm tying it. So this the excess hand now. I tuck it in, so I tie it again. Just look at the way I'm doing it, guys. As you can see, this gele is very easy, not something that is very hard. Very, very easy. Just take your time. Look at this video very well. I'm very sure if you look at this video like 2 times, you will get it. So it's not something that is hard, guys. It's not something that is hard at all. So just let me know if you have any question, guys. You know I'm always here for you guys. Let me know if you have any question about this gele, and I'm sure I'm going to answer you guys soon. If you have any suggestion, or if you have any video idea you want me to do, let me know at the comment section, guys. So I'm just trying to adjust the fan there now. That is what I'm doing. So I'm trying to adjust the fan to make the fan stand very well. So this is it, guys. And if you are using this ashoke and sago, make sure the 2 colors that you are using will correspond to each other, that it will come out very well, not just anyhow color. If you notice, this purple and yellow now really come out very well. And if you see the picture that I merged together, that is the one that T-boy tie. You will see that I use black and silver color. Those 2 colors to come out very well. So if you are using your 2 colors, make sure the 2 colors come out, not just like dull color. Make sure the color corresponds very well, goes with each other very well. So guys, this is the finished look of the gele, guys. So I'll be posting the other one very soon now. After this, I'll be posting the other one. So I love you guys. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. like, comment and share my video with your loved ones. Bye.